Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
For this clip, I just want to say, if you think your phone should be looked at while you drive, and it causes you to be any kind of hindrance on the road, you. I mean, seriously, you. I try to keep it family friendly on my videos, but there's no other way I can put it for the who allow their phone to make them this on the road. Meet Maroon 300. It's hard to see in this video, but this driver is looking down at his phone. I don't know if it was a text, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever the hell this clown decided to look at like some punk-ass teenager, but it distracted him so much that he decides to stop and look at the phone right here. Right here. This is not okay. Put your damn phone down and get your dumb ass off the road if you need to check your phone like my teenage daughters do.
Police are squabbling with protesters. Oh, there we go.
Yes, they're getting waved on.
And they just reached the...
God damn, dude. Stay in your lane. Quiet.
Because the cat's only cat who knows Damn. I'm gonna go ahead and get a police report file because somebody's hit me in the back before and then tried to deny it. So we'll try to make this fast because I was going home. Yes, ma'am. I'm over here at this Jaxon Malibu off of I-49. A guy just hit me in the back, and yeah, and he looks like he's trying to take off running. Hang on, he's taking off. He's a big black guy in a Ford car that don't have any don't have a license plate. He's taking off. He's running down the service road. It's a white Ford. He's running southbound on the service road. Brandon Abear, he's running. He's taking off. He's taking off. He's going on the service road. He's running. He's turning onto this family clinic road, but I can't get around him.